Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll walk you through downloading your designs from Canva in just a few clicks. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your desired dimensions for the project. After setting the size, proceed to the next step as required to continue designing or editing your work efficiently. Search for photos and elements, then filter by premium. Select a photo labeled Premium to add it to your project. This ensures you use high quality, exclusive content for your design. Try selecting one now to see the difference. This is a sample video tutorial script to demonstrate voiceover rewriting skills. After setting your design, click Download. You may see a message indicating that your design contains premium images or graphics. Canva does not allow downloading a design with a single premium graphic or photo on its own. To proceed, either remove the premium element, replace it with a free one, or purchase the premium content. Once adjusted, you can download your design without restrictions. This ensures you comply with Canva's licensing rules and avoid any download issues related to premium images or graphics. Next, let's add another element to the project. Select this part and place it in the desired area. Now, change its color to white by selecting the color option and choosing white from the palette. Make sure the new element aligns properly with the existing design. This adjustment enhances visibility and contrast in your layout. Review the placement and color to ensure it fits the overall aesthetic. Save your progress before moving on to the next step in your project. Select the object, then click the color palette. Choose yellow to change the object's color immediately. Click the Share button, then select Download. Two premium quality graphics appear. Let's proceed to download both images and ensure they save correctly to your device for immediate use or further editing. This confirms the download process for premium content works smoothly and efficiently. To download your design in Canva, click the Download button at the top right. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or PDF. Adjust any settings if needed, then click Download again. Your file will be saved to your computer. This completes the download process in Canva, allowing you to easily save and share your designs. Select two or more elements before you can download. Ensure all required elements are chosen. Only after selecting the necessary elements will the download option become available. This process guarantees you retrieve the correct data. Confirm your selections carefully to proceed and complete the download successfully without errors or omissions. Now you know how to download your graphics in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.